What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlogs. People don't know it's 416 to 876 Jamaica. Again, 416 to 876 what? Jamaica. Please make sure you're subscribing, them people. Just please make sure. Just give me one subscribe, not one subscribe. Just if you're not subscribed yet and you've been watching my content over the years, the house videos, the journey in Jamaica, all of this year, the journey when we got back, and we still feel, please just make sure you're subscribed. Because we're out here. We talk facts. We not talk fiction. We talk what we go through and what we can help the youths them with. Alright, again, my people. So for the new year, again, my people, with the house videos in Jamaica showing in different lands and stuff like that and building the house. And I'm going to try to build up my Airbnb at Jamaica. Look at Airbnb Villa with Dream House. Still can't done yet. Started from 2021, but everyone cocoa full the basket, right? So we take with time and we're not gonna stress about it. Here now in Canada with people, we do a lot of content on building houses, same way. Giving some advice when we can here and there. Talk on different topics, showing the different mall videos, park videos, hood videos, beach videos, and showing them whatever I go on I take place in Canada, Toronto. Anywhere we go. Simple as that, travel vlogs and stuff like that. Alright with people. So boom, now we can move on now. This is for the people who move or migrate to Canada, America, England. This PSA announcement is for you guys. Alright, so no boom now, we could start off. Boom, you're there at Jamaica. Boom, you know, say I come a foreign, right? First thing me there I tell you, say, don't make this fast life and when you see your friends and family over foreign you think you'll come here and do the same right off of the bat. You understand? People judge on me and get hot. We sometimes hot over here, No, sir. Don't think like because you see them with a Benz and Beamer, you go just drive a Benz and Beamer just like that. You can, but you gotta break it down, You gotta break it down. So first thing me that's my people, before you think you want to migrate come to them place, alright, we are gonna say Canada because me live at Canada. Alright, the first thing before you say you want to live come to Canada, listen this, pick up a trade. Alright, pick up a skill. Alright, so pick up a trade or a skill what can help you in your first months when you come to Canada, because when you come here, more time you can't work right away because sometimes you even come here and you run off or whatever. You don't have your PR card or stuff like that, or your papers and never go through fully properly, so you not get your SIN number yet, so you can go get a job right away. But the loophole is known. If you're there Jamaica now, my people, take it advice from me, If you're there Jamaica now, and this is about male and female. If you're there Jamaica now and learn to do nails, right? So when you come back Canada, America, England, you can simply post up some ads, and if you're a big nail taker Jamaica, post up some ad and put some sponsorship around it, and boom, you can just start get just in-house calls or location calls, or you understand me I try to say, and make your life go very, very easy. Same thing for your installment. You could just say, you know what, you had a wig installment from Jamaica from a long time. So when you come over these countries, you know, so you can put up some ad, people show you pay for some promotion, or I'm in your town, blah blah blah. You can get some marketing. You understand me I try to say right away. Let's go over the man side now. Tattoo artist. Same thing. That's a skill. You understand me I try to say? So don't sit down at Jamaica and be like, oh, me gonna run off a foreign and life I go just change just like that. Come, you'll find out how life hard over here, yeah? But make me not stop you see it. Barbering. You learn how to do barbering. A whole heap of barber come from Jamaica and come up here in the first couple of weeks, them start make $1,000. Even at least you make $1,000 a week. 8 bills, even for 5 bills you make a week. And you do it off of your own. You know, if you go out there, go look at 9 to 5 and sending in resume and all that type of stuff. You understand me I try to say? So you learn a couple different skills. Painting. You learn to do painting a yard, man. A big job up here, man. You post up your ad, you post up your videos, you post up your pictures, you post up everything, you post up some ads, and you tell some people to support you and promote you. And you pay up on KGG to market you and stuff like that. And you promote yourself. Oh, the pretty girl around here, on the one day. Just a go on with herself, so. Some of my people, some at the, you go see me at the edge. Hey, them say Canada have all the most prettiest girl. Them I like, I chew them attack or I like them I tell. Wanna comment below. Boom now back again now people. You learn to do all drywall at Jamaica my people. That you're making money over here. If you learn how to do drywall, carpentry in Jamaica and stuff like that, painting and stuff like that, you make money over here. You understand? Learn to do plumbing and all of them stuff to learn some skills, some trades before you migrate and come over these type of countries. You make money. All you have to do now, got the trading school problem over here, you know, and just get a license, you know. But you don't know, so you can't do them things underneath the table because you don't know. So 1 and 2 man or a woman are gonna call you and you boom 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 and do up something, right? Mechanic work, fixing cars. If you know if you fix cars at Jamaica, body work and all of them stuff that you come over here, a whole heap of people look for them type of people if working at them shop. A lot of people look for them type of people if working at them shop and they can't find none because it's so hard to find skilled trade people over here like that. Because more time, most of them people are more computer work or HR and them stuff that them are doing, you know, human resource and banks tell on them type of job they and finance and lawyers and doctors and nurses and PSWs and stuff like that. Or you gotta just come here and go do a factory job. It's up to you. But if you learn them skills here before you come to Canada, me just talk about Canada right now. So big up to all of my UK people that watch the videos. Blessings to know. Big up to all of the American people and big up to all of the people in Jamaica who watch the video them and I share. But just share some knowledge. And it's my knowledge and not out this knowledge or anything. Me not tell nobody say if you go pick up no trade and if you go learn, go do nothing. Alright? Because I don't want to go blame me and say me tell you if you go learn, go do painting, you come and you can't paint properly. No. Or you go do Barbie and you put one next line in my head like that. No, please. Don't do it. Me just a say. It would be very, very easier. If me know this back before, but see, I in a different timeline, one, and a different age group, two. Because somehow we come here when we are 8, 9 years old. So this can't go for them type of age group people. You understand? They're my kids. Me I talk to the people them now who get married and I come here or come here at an older age and stuff like that, like over your 20s. You understand what I try if you say now? You say you're not going to high school again, you go to college or either you go pick up a trade and make it work. You understand now? Easy as that. You know, if you go back and forth. Boom now. For the people them now who just come here now and you see your virgin have a Benz or a Beamer, and right away you just want Benz and Beamer too. No. You know how long it took me to buy my first car? Over 10 years living in Canada. My first car, my stepfather gave me it. For sure you. It not easy. My second car finance it go on. So sometimes when you see them people with them big cars out there, Benz and Beamer, you think life is just like, oh wow, I want that too and boom boom boom. No. I finance him. So imagine now you pay. My friend, she tell me say she pay about $700 a month, $800 a month for a fair Benz. Right, plus insurance. That our 1,000 no fair insurance. So about $1,200 a month just for a car, that not include gas. So about $1,600 that just for car alone. Now imagine now you live somewhere now, I have a pay for a mortgage. Some people pay $3,500 like my brethren. So that I just say $5,000 that right there. So you know that not include food no, and all of the other stuff them, you know. You understand what I try to say now? So you have to look on all of them type of things there. So don't run down fast life when you just come here. You take your time and you move through. If a factory job you have to work, my first job over is a factory job, you know. Yeah man, because me come here, me a youth, but me there high school and me want to work. After the age of 16 I can get a job over here. I think even lower than that, I think I'll 14. But them get student payment, them like student thing them deal when they're under the age, right? And when you're above, boom, you're gone. You understand? So don't watch these people with them big car, big house and this and that. Everybody time is different. God and time, I'm always say. You see it? So don't watch these people. Don't come and some amount of people too. Don't come to foreign countries and go mix up with the wrong company. Yeah, the idea of Jamaica, you have this spoiled attitude about your negative vibe and You think you just you think the world wrap around you. The world not wrap around you. Come here and you go find out. Or you want gangbang in Jamaica and your family them finally send for you. And you finally come here. Don't come back over here. Your mentality, or you just go sit down on the block. Or you just sit down on the gully down when you come from the ghetto and them. No. Change your mindset when you come over here. Just change your mindset. So you know what? Me that live a very hard life at Jamaica, you know. And me no want to go back home, go live back this next hard life back at Jamaica, you know. So you know what me I go do? Me I go stay away from crime and violence. But somehow me don't know what on a phone head. And I come here and I lick in the head with some demons over here. And now you see John Hype and Gregory Boss and everybody. Yeah, introduce if you start selling dope and this, and you see fast life, you see fast money a come in, and you say, yeah man, and this is the life more have to live now. And then now you just give up your hope and vibes from Jamaica. No. I'm not sure what you got me, you know. You give up your vibes and hope off of Jamaica and say, yeah man, this is the fast life, man, and this we see. And this we see on TV, man, and you talk to the white girls, them, and the pretty girls, them, and the Coca-Cola bottle girls, them, and all of them type of vibes, and I say, yeah. And this is the life, you know, see. And this, then we can move to the girl side too, yeah. You see the girl them over here and them have them nice up body, and yeah, you want to be like them with the nice weave and the bricks of bags and all of them things. So you start all the trafficking coke and all of these, and I fly. You want to fly every week and then boom, it want to get catch. So the drug dealer man now boom, you get catch, them start get 5 years of prison. You get trafficking charges and all of them things, then start get 5 years. You're charging them start add up. Boom, them deport to no back out of them country. What you gonna do now? Just because you don't run on your fame or hype what everybody else have, because you not have it. You know much people over here so don't have nothing, and they must hold them composure. I mean, I talk people who born here, and them just hold them. Remember, you know, you're different from the one them born here. You know, you can't get deported anytime. So you come here and lick it or a wrong company. Some of them people are born here, you know, the born here people can never get deported, you know. And some of them just full up some of phone head with just being negative vibes. God bless the one good and two one them out here where you can meet and then show you all vibe. And so we over here to my people, they're more bad mind than Jamaica. You're in at the workplace and you're supposed to get promotion, and the same friend where you think are your friend, bad mind for the promotion there. Because them no want to see you do better than them. You can't, an immigrant come do better than me in my country. Them people, them some SD card it full. My bad. So now, you're doing the same job, you know, you're here for now go through and I go through and I go through. And you think them friends have your back in your workplace. Nobody not have your back in them workplace over here. So. Over here, so dog eat dog world. No love no there, so. Nothing you can find no genuine people there, so you might, this barely tip. If on your fingertip, you can probably find a 1-2 genuine bridging here and there. But no genuine people not really there, so like that. All of them are look out for them own self. So you have to come here and look out for your own self. Yeah man, not the blandable. Yeah man, you work with them until them work with them until them let you go and you let them go too. Cause I saw them places stay, everybody a hunt it, everybody a look it, everybody want the best with them. And for them family and for them picnic. Them will drag you down. And mans, when you come over here man, and you meet some female and you think them female are having a back to the world. And when things start go south, you know man, my brethren, I'm sorry for you, you know man. I'm sorry for you, you know. Them gonna drag you, drain you, drive you, dive you, throw you in a hog pen. And for the bridging them too. Somehow, no. I don't know. I don't know. But none don't come over here and think gonna own the female them. Right? Because you fall in love. The girl got cheat on you, you want to kill her, you want to kill yourself too. You want to beat her up, you want to stab her up, you want to fight her. Let me tell you, say the fastest way to get deported, I put a fight one of them girl there, yeah? Remember me tell you that. The fastest way you want to stop the girl, you anybody who talk to the girl, you want in an argument with them, you want to fight them like you own the people in Pitney. You know work, some brother. You know work, so the fastest way you can get deported, man. I get in a mix up with the females over here. You understand? So just to say that, my people, I just open up on the eyes and I tell them, make you know, say, listen, over them place on a bed of rose. You understand? You come over here, you come work, and you look on the main focus for go back a yard, because this is a slave work. Yeah, I call them place a slave trade system. No matter what, because it's not my country. Them want you build up over here, you know. And anytime you can go back a your yard, you know, they don't care, you know. But your tax will have to stay here. Remember, I tell you that. You understand? You must build up for them country and left your country alone. That's how the mentality is. That's what they want you to do. So if that you want to do that, because everybody is different, you know. You have like 3 stages of people who come here now. And again, me a Jamaican, so I go for the Jamaican type. You have 3 types of Jamaican people who come here. The first one, me nah go back a yard. Period. No matter how much money you give me, no matter what you want to tell me, I am not going back to Jamaica, not even to visit. Yeah, me nah go back. Me hate down there like poison. See them one day, them try to walk a straight line in them country because them, if any local thing they know they can get deported. And them one they don't want to go back. Me don't know what they do at Jamaica. What they see at Jamaica. Or it's just the lifestyle. What them witness at Jamaica and go through at Jamaica. No, Jamaican people stay at Jamaica. Them Jamaican people, they say them just nah go. No matter what you tell them say. They nah go Jamaica. Then so them that walk around Jamaica, but they nah go Jamaica. Yeah, man, I mean people like that over here, man. So they nah go Jamaica, no matter anything what you say, they nah go back to Jamaica. Me just nah go back to Jamaica. No matter, me live here for about 70 years now, and you will never get me back my foot in Jamaica. Because the way how Jamaica crime rate, they are not here. People them say them not going back. And they have the level 2 Jamaica now. And in and them out. You understand? No matter what you tell them, they not build a Jamaica straight. But when them go to Jamaica, them go visit a resort and them not left the resort. If family want to come see them, then come see me on the resort. And them one are the ones who come over here, buy them house, get married and this and that. If them not married, them have them 1, 2, 3 girl and, you know, them still dibble and double in Jamaica, bring out them 2 girl, when them have a Jamaica, to the resort, them now leave the resort. Yeah. I mean, people like them, me now come off of this resort, I'm mad for go out there, so what? The danger, it's like you lock up in a one zoo, and outside that beer, yeah. You understand? And me, I saw it still, say them now come from, leave the resort for go away. Not even the bus stop, me now go in a jail. Me got a resort, I mean people like that. Not even out of the security gate. You know, see some of them. Remember that. And so for what? Then corruption creature the outside me. Yo, the way some people talk about Jamaica, it just make it look like, wow, me I eat that then so for God, Jamaica go build a house. The way how some people talk about Jamaica, man, yo, Jamaicans. Want to make our own people just afraid. For even want to just touch down in Jamaica. That's how bad it is. Just even for, not even want to leave the resort. They not even want to go up on an excursion because them fear not that bad. Now have to pick up on yourself and have to stop it, man. Because people over here really want to go back. And because of this bad mind mentality and crime and jealousy and all of that mixed up in that one and just make people them just scared. Me have a bridging call one time. What do you hear? And say I try to buy a piece of land around me. And the man say, yo, Jay, watch a video them, you know, man. And you are the reason why me I go come back to Jamaica, you know, because me give up on Jamaica, you know. Man say me give up. And man say, yo, if me I buy any land, me have to buy right beside of you because of you alone, me say go to Jamaica. Go walk around the area, they put a video of this and that, and you do everything. And you, if anybody that tell me otherwise, me never see it for myself, I want to go. I want to say me I go buy land in Jamaica, my brother. And you inspire me to say, yo, Me a go Jamaica go buy a piece of land and go build up a local 1 bedroom, and even for just a 1 bedroom, but it have to be close to you, you know, Jay. It have to be right all next door to you, you know, so you make me know what I go on, you know. And I say, man, I talk to me, I said, Jah God. And then you have 3, the fearless Jamaican like me. You just have to take a chance. Things can happen here and there. We don't know. You can get up one day, you still drive over here. How much car accident me get over here? We don't know. How much things can go on here. You understand? We don't know. But we try. Try to build up back our country. Like I say, some people just mentalities just work over here, get some money, and to go back home to build up a nice house. You say, yeah, me did it. You understand? And everybody want to live a foreign. Some of us just want to build up enough money and just take a break and just have vice versa, get a dual citizen and say, you know what? You can go back a foreign for 4 months or come up, just come get check up health wise and cut again. Yeah. So not everybody when you see out here strive to buy a house. Like me not try to buy a house over here no more. You know? House price gone straight to the brim. Well, at least Father God help me to build a house at Jamaica. But me can go back home. Yeah, me can pay rent over here, so call it a day. What we are going to do about it? I have a pay rent in any country where you're there. But it all depends on your mindset. So if you know, say I come from Jamaica, you have to just train your mindset to do what you need to do. An important mission. Because at the end of the day, the important mission, you know. And we lose the important. See, when we come here, as we young, our important mission is, yo, come here, buy a house, and we go cut. That's our important mission, you know. Get enough money, build up a house, a yard. Our mind is always to help families. Some of us, I don't know. Some of us, yo, me help mama and papa a yard, you know, because then, you know, me I thought the good parents help them kids. Or help the one kid that come out and your mother come here, your mother send for you, your father come here, your father send for you. And you there, you live there one day over there, so you never know. You understand? But so a certain time, or a grandma help you out, so you want to send back a thing for grandma, or you don't know, so you have 2 bad dog a yard, you know, 2 bad Virginia, and then Virginia always look out for you if you're hungry, you know, so they always have your back, you know what I mean? You know, so you have the girlfriend there yard and she always have your back no matter what. When she have her man, she get her man bun for you. You still get her 1 piece, she still buy her 1-2 food, and you know, so you have to look out back for the girl. Yeah, man, of them people. So you mentally stay when you come here, but then sometime now you start kick off with new friends over here. It's like you forgot. That's why them I say, oh, them not like the port. Oh, you run, we're gonna foreign and you know remember the good, and I remember we don't remember. I just forgot. And I like we never care. I just move on to like a different lifestyle now, different people. We have chat patois and this and that now. We have to learn proper English and stuff like that. Where they run white people, racist people, this and that. A whole heap of things goes on in our head when we migrate, you know. Cause when you migrate, I know it just looks so easy. When me first time I go to school, you know, and me talking, you know, nobody no understand me, you know, nobody no understand the teacher. The teacher them can't even understand me. Say I'm chat too bad. So yeah, my people, games are gonna be a problem. I overeat. So when I stay too long, you understand? So the end of this video, if you want to make a part 2 on this type of topic, you can always message me. Just comment below. I will make part 2. Call it a day. But if you enjoy these type of topics, people, the channel is all for that. I always come with different topics per week, and we'll talk about it. Still going to some house vibe video next week coming again. Probably drop a part 2 on one of those videos. And yeah, everybody lifestyle different, you know. Just come here, people. Have a positive mindset. Please don't follow negativity. And so Trump go on with the world right now, and America, England and Canada, everybody got adapt to the same vibe. So just come here, walk by your thin line, and build up your house, a yard, and get back home. Stay away from negative people. When you go back a yard to same way, you know, man. Don't go back to the same place where you're born and grow, so you can build up house and show off palm people. Just mentality different, you know. buy a piece of land somewhere out in the wilderness and just go do your own thing and call it a day. I just some see it still, but can't forget home. Can't forget Jamaica. You see my people, but everybody is different. So, and for everybody mindset, mentality is different. But again, my people, I want everybody to just like, share, subscribe to the channel, share this message if it's good or useful to somebody you might know or come over here or even here still want to listen to this message. You understand? You come over, people, get your trucking license. As a man, you want to visit the world, North America, get a trucking license and go visit. If you want to make a trucking video, we make back some trucking content for the next week coming. Probably tomorrow we'll go live. So big up to themselves. To everybody who like, share and subscribe to 416-876 Jamaica. More content that come. Probably go visit some new ghettos next week. Yeah, I think it's time to go visit Jane and Finch North. So and probably still have to go visit Alexander Park, because we never do Alexander Park, we do the south side, but we never do the north side for downtown. So probably next week you guys get a lot of hood videos and probably some beach and park videos, because next week gonna be hot outside. We'll probably go to Pickering or Ajax, do the Ajax beach or park beaches and stuff like that, because I think we have 2 more to do over there. I'm not going too far though, we just go probably, oh, everybody else talk about Port Hope. I might head over there to do a vlog over there one at a time them still. So buddy, again, just like, share and subscribe to the channels. 416-876 Jamaica. Peace out.